Well, it's Quote Sunday, which means today you get a quote. Anyway, I just watched the movie Revolver. I liked it a lot. It's a Guy Richie movie. I like pretty much every movie of Guy Ritchie's that I've ever seen. And so today's quote comes from that, and it's used in that. The only way to get smarter is by playing a smarter opponent. From the Fundamentals of Chess, 1883. I really enjoyed the movie. I really liked the whole play on psychology and religion and even social structure. So yeah, I say watch it, take it for what it is, and learn from it.